Hello guys, so last class human health and diseases la ஒரு சின்ன portion pending ஆயிருந்துச்சு. AIDS is already completed. ஆனா ஒரு quick revision. Cancer and drug abuse was left. Let's directly understand what is cancer and drug abuse. Those who haven't watched the entire human health and diseases, please check out on the channel. Recorded videos la human health and diseases complete chapter we have completed. Okay, so AIDS na என்ன? Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Acquired na என்ன நம்ம லைஃப் டைம்ல we will achieve it. Like we will not achieve, we will get it. Okay, life timeல we will get it. It is not something that we are born with. Okay, something that we are born with. So acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Acquired means something that we have got in the lifetime. Immuno means something that will affect our immune system. So AIDS main problem என்னன்னா கண்ணா, AIDS main issue என்னன்னா that will affect our immune system. It does not directly kill a person. It will affect the immune system. And when our immune system is sacrificed, opportunistic diseases, okay, நம்ம tuberculosis அந்த மாதிரி diseases எல்லாமே இப்படி வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு ஓ இதுதான் ரைட் டைம்னு வந்து they will attack. So that is what your AIDS do to a person. That is, AIDS do not directly kill a person. It actually sacrifices the immune system, or it reduces the immune capacity for us, and because of that other opportunistic diseases will come and attack us. Okay, look here, எதுக்கு நம்ம syndrome word யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டோம்? multiple symptoms இருந்தா நம்ம syndrome word we will use. Now நம்ம first case வந்து it happened in 1981 in USA. It happened in gay community. Gay community homosexual community. So அதனால people thought, oh maybe this disease is actually only for the gay people, இல்லைன்னா only for the homosexual people. It is a sexuality based disease. அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன நடந்துச்சுன்னா second case identify ஆச்சுக்கன்னா in 1986 சென்னையில. That time it was proven that okay, it is not coming for any sexual, or it is not because a person is homosexual or heterosexual. இது வந்து நார்மலா வர ஒரு disease. That means it is come because of multiple having sex with multiple sex partners, அது எல்லாமே இருக்கும். ஆனா this is not based on any sexuality ன்னு confirmation came. Okay, அதுக்கப்புறம் காசட்டிவ் ஏஜென்ட் என்ன? காசட்டிவ் ஏஜென்ட் வந்து ஹெச்ஐவி, ஹியூமன் இம்யூனோடெஃபிஷியன்சி வைரஸ். இந்த வைரஸ் வந்து இட் ஃபால்ஸ் அண்டர் ரெட்ரோ வைரஸ் ஃபேமிலி. ரெட்ரோ வைரஸ்னா என்ன? தே ஹாவ் தி எபிலிட்டி டு கன்வெர்ட் ஆர்என்ஏ டு டிஎன்ஏ. ஸோ அதனால அது ஹோஸ்ட் பாடியில என்டர் பண்ணும்போது அது என்ன பண்ணுவேன், அந்த வைரல் ஆர்என்ஏ வில் பி கன்வெர்டட் டு டிஎன்ஏ and it will integrate with the host, and the host will not understand that something like this is happening. இந்த ஏட்ஸுக்கு ஒரு இந்த ஹெச்ஐவிக்கு ஒரு ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் இருக்கு. இதுதான் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர். This is your phospholipid bilayer. Okay, in an envelope layer, phospholipid envelope layer. அதுக்கப்புறம் what you're seeing here in the lollipop மாதிரி structure இருக்குல்ல, that is called as your docking glycoprotein. Okay, in the docking glycoprotein என்ன கண்ணா, it has like a stick like structure and then it has a head, and the head is actually GP120. Okay, another GP120. This GP120 itself will go and bind with the receptors. Okay, நம்ம பாடியில இருக்கிற ரிசெப்டர் கூட இதுதான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் போய் ஜாயின் பண்ணுவா. ஸோ அதனால இது வந்து கிளைகோப்ரோட்டீன் GP120. Okay, even if you remember glycoprotein is more than enough. இதுதான் நம்ம GP41. Okay, இதுதான் நம்ம GP41, and inside this you will see a capsid layer. என்னது capsid layer? Where have we studied capsid layer? நம்ம biological classification we have studied capsid layer, because there we understood that this capsid layer are basically protein layers which are going to help the viruses to, it will have an outer coat or a protective coat. Okay, so on the protein coat, that capsid is made up of many capsomeres. Okay, so அதுதான் many capsomeres will be there, capsid is there. Inside this capsid என்ன நடக்குது? ஒரு snRNA will be there, integrase enzyme will be there, protease enzyme will be there, and your reverse transcriptase will be there. இது எல்லாமே ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்டான enzymes. Reverse transcriptase to convert from RNA to DNA. We have integrase to integrate the viral protein with our protein. Okay, அதுக்கப்புறம் நமக்கு என்ன இருக்கு கண்ணா? We have protease again to make the viral protein. So அதனால they only have all the enzymes. They are like, I am well efficient, I am well ready, எனக்கு எல்லா enzymes இருக்கு நம்ம பாடியில. So அதனால I will do everything that is possible for me. So they will do that, and here you can see this is the structure. இப்போ இதுல என்ன இம்பார்ட்டன்ட்னா, இந்த glycoprotein வந்து it goes and connects with our receptor, a receptor which is very very special, which is called the CD4 receptor. CD na cluster of differentiation. நம்ம பாடியில இருக்கிற ஒரு ரிசெப்டர் கூட this glycoprotein will go and combine. ஆனா இந்த receptor எல்லா செல்ஸுமே இருக்காது. It is present in the dendritic cell, macrophages and the T helper cells. இப்போ how does they sacrifice the immune system? Ma'am, you told that they sacrifice the immune system. ஆனா how do they do it? Students, they will attack the T helper cell and decrease the number of T helper cells. That is how they actually attack our immune system, because we know நம்ம செல் மீடியேட்டட் இம்யூனிட்டினா நம்ம டி செல்ஸ் தான் அதுல முக்கியமான ஒரு லைக் மெம்பர். ஸோ அந்த டி ஹெல்பர் செல்ஸ் வில் பி டிக்ரீஸ்ட் இன் நம்பர், அண்ட் பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் தட் வாட் வில் ஹேப்பன், we will get other opportunistic diseases. And here we have dendritic cell, we have macrophages, we have T helper cells. In the macrophages act like the factory. Factory na, what is a factory? Where we are making, you know, multiple products. So this macrophages will act as the factory. Ana T helper cells will get killed because the HIV already know that if I attack this cell, work becomes easier for me. இப்போ in the entire synthesis, how does it happen? First one, நம்ம GP120 will come and attach to CD4 receptor. That is, binding will happen with the receptor in the macrophages. அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன நடக்குதுன்னா, bind to the CD4 receptor, அதுக்கப்புறம் capsid will enter into the host cell. And the complete capsid with your ssRNA, protease, integrase, reverse transcriptase எல்லாமே it will enter into the host cell, and நம்ம host DNA, that is nucleus will be here, no, and அதுல inside host DNA will be waiting. இப்போ என்ன நடக்கும்னா, அந்த integrase யூஸ் பண்ணி they will do integration of viral DNA with the host DNA. What they will do, using reverse transcriptase, they will convert the RNA to DNA. That is, they will do reverse transcription using reverse transcriptase. அதுக்கப்புறம் what they will do, they will use integrase and they will integrate the viral DNA with our host DNA. So என்ன நடக்கும், full mixing will happen. No, we will not know that this thing has happened. ஆனா இது நடக்கும். Okay, this will happen. Integration of viral DNA with host DNA with the help of integrase. அதுக்கப்புறம் they will form viral proteins with the help of protease, and ultimately we will get the new viruses. ஸோ பாக்டீரியோஃபாஜ்ல இதே ப்ராசஸ் நடக்குது. பட் ஆனா என்சிஆர்டில இன்னொரு டயக்ராம் இருக்கு. ஸோ அதனால நமக்கு அந்த டயக்ராம் பார்க்கலாம். இதுதான் அந்த டயக்ராம். ஓகே, அந்த டயக்ராம்ல சேம் திங் கண்ணா. See here, the entire capsid will be released. From there, your viral RNA will get converted to viral DNA. அதுக்கப்புறம் integrase use பண்ணி this new viral RNA will be producing the infected cell. Viral DNA will incorporate into the host genome with the help of integrase. அதுக்கப்புறம் viral proteins will be formed, and ultimately new viruses will be formed. So bacteriophage la enna nadakudhu, they will act like the factory of HIV. That means here only production will happen. Okay, bacteriophage la enna nadakudhu, only production will happen. But ana T helper cells la enna nadakum, after the production they will kill the T helper cells. They do not want the T helper cells to survive. So adanal macrophages la T helper cells, the T helper cells will kill the HIV will kill the T helper cells, automatically decreasing the immune system or harming our immune system. Okay, symptoms என்னெல்லாம் இருக்கும் கண்ணா, fever இருக்கும், lethargy, nausea, vomiting, headache, இதெல்லாமே normal symptoms தான். அதனால what will happen, our immune system becomes so weak that we get many other opportunistic diseases, tuberculosis, typhoid, malaria, any kind of diseases can come, and the diseases to an extent it will become too severe. Okay, and the graph continuously improve, like it will increase, because of which a person will, you know, die and do, like, you know, they will go through some problems. Isn't there any disease, like, you know, how do we prevent this? Because there is no permanent prevention. What we can do maximum is increase the lifespan of a person, but Anna, there are something cautions that we can take. So opportunistic diseases will come, like TB, typhoid, multiple sex with multiple partners, or sex with an infected person. If you don't know that person, you don't know the background of a person, avoid any kind of sexual contact with that person. Okay, அதுக்கப்புறம் during blood transfusion, நம்ம blood transfuse பண்ணும்போது there are high chances that the hospital people are careless. Because of it, you know, during the blood transfusion something has happened, some mixing has happened. Okay, அதுக்கப்புறம் sharing of needles, that is intravenous drug abuse. Yesterday only I saw a video on Instagram, you know, how kids are using intravenous drug. So adla enna nadakumna, we don't know the other person. Okay, you might have all connected using some you know, some circle. It is not coming through any good circle. So adanal and the circle la we don't know what kind of people are there. So one is injecting, another person is injecting, another person is injecting. Any of one also has AIDS positive or they are HIV positive, immediately chance will be there for you to get it. So adanal drug abuse fetus is completely very careless. Okay, difficult. I mean, should be very careful. Mother to the child through the placenta, and even it can also spread through colostrum. Chances of spreading through colostrum also is very high because again a fluid, right? So mainly the transmission will happen due to fluid mixing up of blood, semen, mixing up of colostrum through placenta if the antibody like the virus moves. Now, most important thing that you have to remember is that it does not spread by mere shaking hands, eating food from the same plate, or lying down with the person who has AIDS positive. It does not spread like that because many people have a misunderstanding when we go to this foundations, okay, where there is a lot of AIDS and HIV patient. And the time I have seen many people, not touching their hands, wearing gloves and all. It is all nonsense, okay. They, if you touch them, you shake hands with them, nothing is going to happen because the virus has to spread. So virus will not spread by mere shaking hands or eating from the same plate, sharing the utensils. It's not going to come. So when you see such people acting, you should spread awareness to some people because some people really need awareness. Okay, Elena, they don't know how to behave. Okay, they don't know how to behave. 1 second. The mute panita. Okay, so this is how you have to prevent it. Now, how do you identify it and other things, important things to Kana? Here you see the diagnostic test for AIDS is ELISA, enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. இதுல மெயின் பிரின்சிபல் என்னன்னா ஆன்டிஜன் ஆன்டி பைண்டிங், ஓகே, ஆன்டிஜன் அண்ட் ஆன்டிபாடி பைண்டிங், அதுதான் பிரின்சிபல் behind it. So ELISA technique can be used for diagnostic to identify if the disease is rare or not. அதுக்கப்புறம் you can do confirmatory test is Western blotting. So இது கன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணணும்னா you should do Western blotting, that is the confirmatory test. அதுக்கப்புறம் to know even if the quantity is very less, virus வந்து ரொம்ப கம்மியா இருந்தா கூட PCR வந்து polymerase chain reaction will amplify and give us the result. So PCR can be used. Now ma'am, is there a cure for it? Now first of all understand Kanna, if a person is HIV positive, it takes them almost 5, 10, 20 years to become AIDS positive. HIV positive can come when the T helper cells number decreases, but Anna, to become AIDS positive, it might take months, it might take years, it might take, like that many years to become actually HIV positive because that is how the incubation time is. Incubation time na for this virus to completely grow, symptoms ellame start pandradhukku and the incubation time வந்து it is years. So a person can be HIV positive and AIDS positive we can only say during the duration of time. Okay. Now, ma'am, is there a cure for it? See, students, the only thing that we can do is we can give some antiretrotherapy. That is where we give anti-retrovirus, like, some medicines. But Anna, the only thing that we can do is we can increase the lifespan. That means maybe if the doctor has told 10 years, we can maybe increase it to 5 years. Anna, we cannot completely cure the disease, okay, because the virus would have spread everywhere. We cannot completely eradicate the virus. Enna maximum panna mudiyumna நமக்கு வந்து we can longer the lifetime. We can longer the lifetime by giving this antiretroviral drugs. Okay, that is again increase the lifespan, not a complete cure. Azithromycin is one of the examples that you can remember. Now we all know World AIDS Day is celebrated on December 1st, and students, lot of NGOs and NACO, that is National AIDS Control Organization, has been working in rural and urban countries to spread the awareness of AIDS, to talk about more about AIDS and how AIDS can, be spread as well. So, adinale look at National AIDS Control Organization and NGO. They both are working hand in hand to spread the information about AIDS because mainly என்ன நடக்கும்னா நம்ம ரூரல் கண்ட்ரீஸ்ல ரூரல் ஏரியாஸ்ல அவருக்கு வந்து அது தெரியாது, அதை பத்தி இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் வந்து ரொம்ப கம்மி. ஸோ அதனால அது எல்லாமே ஸ்ப்ரெட் பண்றதுக்கு லாட் ஆஃப் NGOs are working, lot of non-governmental organizations are working. With that, NACO is the main one. Okay, this is the whole about your AIDS chapter, like AIDS topic. That much only you have about AIDS, hardly a 15 minutes topic. Now we will start with cancer. Okay, we will start with cancer. Students, cancer mainly nowadays everyone knows, every person that we talk randomly, we know that we hear the word cancer. ரொம்ப காமனா இருக்கு இப்ப கேன்சர் வந்து, ஆனா ஸ்கேரியா தான் இருக்கு because கேன்சர்ல என்ன நடக்கும்னா the problem is this cancer cells வந்து they abnormally grow. Okay, abnormal and uncontrolled, abnormal and uncontrolled proliferation happens. Okay, I hope all of you marked your attendance. Quickly smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you're new. abnormal and uncontrolled proliferation nadakum kana. That means these cells will continuously divide. Okay, they will divide to such an extent that they do not know when to stop, because நம்ம normal cells la enna nadakumna, this normal cells have a very important factor that is called as contact inhibition. What is that? Contact inhibition is there. ஆனா நம்ம cancer cells ல அந்த contact inhibition வந்து இல்ல. That means what? Imagine I am a cell here, one more cell is here. Now I am growing, okay, I am dividing, I am growing. As I am growing and dividing, I touch the cell, immediately I will realize, oh my god, I have to stop growing because now already I have reached my maximum growth. Okay, this what will happen, this cancer cells will lack the ability, okay, it will lack or it will lose contact inhibition. Okay, they have lost the ability of contact inhibition. Understood? They have lost the ability of contact inhibition. That is, compared to the other cells, these people have lost this ability. Okay, lost the property of contact inhibition, and because of that, what they will do, they will break down all the regulatory mechanism. Cell cycle and cell division, when I'm teaching you, I'll teach you about your cytokinin, that is your checkpoints. Okay, there is cycle independent checkpoints are there. What these cells are going to do, Kana, they are going to break everything. They are going to cross all the checkpoints. Okay, they will break down the regulatory mechanism all checkpoints. Okay, this checkpoints I will teach you when I'm teaching you cell cycle and cell division, which will happen very soon. So enna nadagum, these people actually break all the checkpoints and break down the mechanism which is followed by other cells. So adanale main issue enna, in the cells vanda ivlo proliferate agum students, so much proliferation will happen that this cells doesn't know when to stop. Okay, the cells will go on proliferating. They do not know when to stop. So adanale the cells, they cause something, that is they cause a mass of cells. Okay, they create mass of cells, and we call that mass of cells as what? Tumor or neoplasm. Okay, that mass of cells that they create by dividing continuously is called as tumor or neoplasm. Clear? Tumor or neoplasm. In the tumor or neoplasm, the two types are there. Kana? Tumor is of two types. One is called as benign tumor. Okay, benign tumor. One more is called as malignant tumor. One is called as malignant tumor. Benign tumor, na, imagine panikonga. Here I have made a group of cells. Okay, I have made a group of people here. I'm not moving anywhere else. Okay, I'm stuck here only. I'm not moving anywhere. So benign tumor when this spread agada, ade enga form agado and area la da it will be staying. Okay, it will not spread. But ana malignant tumor appadi kediyadu kanna. From here it will go here. Here they'll make a group. From here they will go here. Here also they'll make a group. Again they'll come back. Wherever they are going, they'll keep making the groups. But ana benign tumor is not like that. Malignant tumor is like that. Okay. So benign tumor, what they will do? They will be confined to one place. Okay. Confined to one location and does not spread. Benign tumor handle pannadum romba easy da, because since they are not spreading to different locations, namakku vanda height many a times we don't have to worry. We can remove it easily using a surgery. Okay. So here there is one more word that you have to know, which is called as metastasis. Okay, Okay, metastasis. In a ma'am, in the metastasis, whatever I told you here, no, the malignant tumor, that is a metastasis. That means they spread from one place, they proliferate there. Again, they spread, they build there. So that is called as metastasis. So benign tumor does not show metastasis, and a malignant tumor shows metastasis. Clear? The ability for them to spread so fast and clog all the areas that they are going. Nama hair madri. நம்ம கேர்ள்ஸ் ஹேர் வந்து என்ன நடக்கும், இஃப் தேர் கோயிங் ஃப்ரம் ஹியர் டு அன் அதர் சீவேஜ், அங்க போய் இது வந்து பிளாக் ஆகும். ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி தான் இந்த மேலிக்னன்ட் மெட்டாஸ்டாசிஸ்னா, ஃப்ரம் ஹியர் த மாஸ்டோ செல்ஸ் ஆர் மூவிங், தேர் கோயிங் டு ஸ்ப்ரெட், they will make a group there, again they will spread, they will make a group there, so like that they will do clogging multiple times. Okay, tumors as they spread. Okay, so benign tumor, students, what is it? They do not show metastasis. Here I will write okay, they do not show metastasis, they do not show metastasis. Okay, words வந்து கொஞ்சம் unclear ஆயிருக்கா? Okay, I'll fix that. Okay, little glare I can see, I'll fix that. Okay, yes, here students, benign tumor la இன்னொரு என்னன்னா, most of the time they are not very dangerous. They are dangerous, but ana they're not like majority time they are not dangerous. Okay, ana malignant tumor is not like that. Majority time, no, full time they are dangerous only. So here you can see they spread. Okay, they are not confined to one place, they spread. Okay, they spread, they show metastasis, they show எல்லா செல்ஸுமே டேஞ்சரஸ் தான். they are dangerous and they are difficult to actually like handle பண்றதுக்கும் ரொம்ப டிஃபிகல்ட்டா, ட்ரீட் பண்றதுக்கும் கொஞ்சம் டிஃபிகல்ட்டா. ஆனா இதுக்கு வந்து like we have still not figured out a medicine that would cure cancer. We do chemotherapy and other things, but Anna, there is no like how we have found vaccine for chicken pox, smallpox, and the madri solution people are still trying to figure out. Lot of people are working for it, not just doctors. Lot of people are working for all of this. Okay, glare irukka or doubt? Okay. Okay, little is there, I'll fix that. Okay. Okay, Kanna. So cancer generally you understood, no? So what is it? Basically, mass of cell is called tumor or neoplasm. Tumor வந்து two types இருக்கு, benign tumor and malignant tumor. Benign tumor na it be confined to one location. அது வந்து surgery பண்ண remove பண்றதுக்கும் கொஞ்சம் easy தான். Malignant tumor அந்த it's opposite of it. என்ன நடக்கும்னா அந்த cells வந்து it will move and they will log there. Again they will move, they log there. So அதனால they show an property which is called as metastasis. In the cancer cells, the main property which they lose is property of contact inhibition. That is where they come in contact with the cell, they will not realize that they have to stop dividing. They will divide above that cell. Like example, look here. Okay, like this cells are there. Like this cells are there. Imagine. Okay, here also cells are there. இது வந்து நம்ம normal cells. Okay, they have contact inhibition. Like they have contact inhibition that when they come in contact with one cell, they should stop dividing. Okay, ஆனா இந்த cancerous cell வந்து கண்ணா, see how they are dividing. They are dividing between and they are growing into a massive group. Okay, they are growing into a massive group. Clear? Now, இப்போ நம்ம cancer trigger பண்றதுக்கு, like in the sense, if a person like how do they get cancer? Many physical, biological agents are there, chemical agents are there which triggers cancer. But ana nama types of cancer you have to study. Types of cancer na, here when I use the word carcinogen, it is basically cancer causing agents. Okay, cancer causing agents. Notes எல்லாமே we need Tamil Nadu Telegram இல்லனா description boxல இருக்கும். So அதனால quickly follow the Telegram as well. Okay, carcinogens, Okay, carcinogens. And students, types of cancer. Types of cancer. Okay, mainly three types are there. Okay, three types of that. First one is called as carcinoma. Okay, noma word we use when we talk about cancer. So first one is carcinoma. Okay, carcinoma. Next one is sarcoma. Okay, sarcoma. So first one is carcinoma, next one is sarcoma, and last one is leukemia, which you know very commonly called as your blood cancer. Okay, blood cancer. Okay, leukemia, which is your blood cancer. So carcinoma, na kanna, here lot of other categories come, like a breast cancer will come here. Okay, carcinoma means where they say malignant, that is growth, outgrowth happens in the ectodermal tissues. Okay, that is why carcinoma. So all this is based on tissues only. நம்ம carcinoma ல ectodermal tissue ல ஏதோ ஒரு outgrowth இருந்துச்சுன்னா, okay, ectodermal tissue ல ஏதோ ஒரு outgrowth, okay, ectodermal tissue, any outgrowth is there, we call this kind of cancer as carcinoma cancer. Okay, carcinoma. Example வந்து breast cancer, lung cancer. Okay, two categories இருக்கு. Next வந்து sarcoma. Sarcoma na basically நம்ம mesodermal. Okay, mesodermal ல mesodermal tissue ல இருக்கிற outgrowth. mesodermal ல இருக்கிற outgrowth தான் நம்ம sarcoma. Here, see, if you cannot remember the whole thing also, it's fine. Still, you have to at least know this much. Okay, you should know this much. Clear? Okay? Okay, very good. So, நம்ம mesodermal tissue na example, myoma இருக்கு. That is when cancer happens to the muscular tissues. Okay. Muscular tissuesல cancer வந்துச்சுன்னா அது வந்து நம்ம myoma. Okay. Last வந்து கண்ணா leukemia, basically blood cancer. Leukemia na blood cancer. Okay, leukemia is very common. All of you know leukemia is very, very common nowadays. Even before it was very common. Okay, so these are types of cancer. இப்போ என்னன்னா we are going to study the agents. Okay, the agents that are causing the cancer. Okay. Okay, yeah. So agents that are triggering cancer in our body ன்னு சொல்லலாம். Agents causing cancer. Basically, first agent வந்து நம்ம physical agent. Okay. Physical agent. அதுக்கப்புறம் physical agent இருக்கு, biological agent இருக்கு, chemical agent இருக்கு. So first you are writing physical agent, then we will write chemical agent. Okay, chemical agent. Now physical agent na என்ன? So நம்ம UV rays, ionizing rays, okay, அங்க அப்படி சொல்லலாம், ionizing radiations எல்லாமே causes cancer. That's why we say if you're taking a lot of scans, okay, like you're taking x-rays and all of that, then there is chance that you can have cancer on a long run because you're exposed to that radiations too much. Okay, that is why when ozone depletion also happen, நம்ம வந்து எல்லாருமே skin cancer க்கு chance இருக்கு, skin cancer க்கு chance இருக்குன்னு ரொம்ப time we were all telling, even lot of NGOs were telling, newspapers were telling that there is high chance that many people will get cancer. Why? Because we are exposed to UV rays, X-rays. Okay, so that is the physical agent, that is basically ionizing radiations. Okay, ionizing radiations and non-ionizing radiations both can cause your cancer. Okay, ionizing radiations and non-ionizing radiations. So we have to avoid the exposure. Even in labs also, students, what we do is we keep our hand in UV rays and everything very casually. Anna, that is not the thing. We have to be very, very careful. Okay, we have to be very, very careful. So ionizing radiations, that is your ionizing radiation is there, non-ionizing radiations are there. Ionizing radiations, your X-rays plays a very important. So adnala here we have to be careful that okay, we are not getting exposed to your X-rays and gamma rays. Okay, gamma rays and X-rays வந்து ரொம்ப dangerous. Non-ionizing radiationல நமக்கு வர்றது UV rays which we are exposed through sun. Okay, in our atmosphere we do have UV rays, so அதனால UV rays also is very very problematic. Okay, very very problematic. Next வந்து chemical agent. So இந்த chemical agentல நமக்கு வந்து main chemical agent என்னன்னா tobacco. என்னது? Tobacco. Tobacco plays a very, very important in cancer, Kana. If a person is smoking, then we should remember that that person will have oral or lung cancer. இது வந்து கண்டிப்பா வரும் பிகாஸ் ஓரல் கேன்சர் யூ ஹாவ் சீன் நம்ம எல்லா மூவிஸ்ல ஸ்டார்டிங்ல வந்து ஒரு டிஸ்க்ளைமர் மாதிரி கொடுப்பாங்க. அது வந்து என்ன டொபாக்கோ யூஸ், ஓகே, டொபாக்கோ அபியூஸ். ஸோ அதனால தான் டொபாக்கோ இஸ் வெரி வெரி டேஞ்சரஸ் விச் யூ ஆர் ஸ்மோக்கிங். ஓகே, அது வந்து we should all like not we all like I'm telling if you are in case you know have any habits you should stop. அதுக்கப்புறம் students suitனா நம்ம fire பண்ணிட்டு like let's say we burn something. Have you seen that black color ashes that goes into the air? That's soot. Okay, so when you take in a lot of soot also many you know toxic gases will be mixed with that. So adanal there is high chances that you can get skin cancer. Okay, lung cancer will be there. Other than that skin cancer வந்து chance வந்து ரொம்ப அதிகம். Okay, now other than tobacco, soot, you can also imagine of many like tar, like anything that we are taking in, like நம்ம occupationally respiratory disorder பத்தி பேசும்போது we talk about asbestos, silica, so that also can cause diseases. Like example asbestos. So a person who is working in this might be more prone to cancer than a person who is working elsewhere. Okay, asbestos, your cigarette smoke, tobacco, soot. Okay, direct tobacco injecting can also happen. Other than that, number cigarette, let's say your friend is smoking. Okay, friend is smoking, you are not smoking, then you are standing next to him, then there is high chance that because of the inhaling of that passive smoking can also lead to cancer. So adanale if your friend or someone is smoking, just stay away from them. That kind of friendship you don't want, and you do not want to sacrifice your health for his habits. Okay, so adanale cigarette smoke also, passive smoking also can lead to cancer. இப்போ this is your physical agent, இது வந்து chemical agent. ஆனா what is this biological agent? நம்ம பாடியில இருக்கிற agent. Okay, நம்ம பாடியில இருக்கிற agent, நம்ம பாடியில இருக்கிற ஏஜென்ட்னா நம்ம biological, that is here I'll duplicate this once again. Okay, we have biological agent, that means sorry. Okay, biological agent, that means it is present in our body ana it will not be active. It can get active because of the exposure to physical agents. Now imagine நம்ம பாடியில there is one cell which is called as proto-oncogenes. Okay, proto-oncogenes. Proto-oncogenes actually நம்ம பாடியில இருக்கிற செல். ஆனா இந்த செல் வந்து usually it is off. Okay, oncogenic genes which are off. Okay, this is usually off, but because of any influence. Okay, any physical or chemical agents, influence of any physical or chemical agents can activate this proto-oncogenes, and because of which in the proto-oncogenes there are chances that they will switch on. Okay, there are chances that they will switch on. So our body itself have the oncogenes which are actually cancer causing genes. Okay, cancer causing genes. We also have tumor suppressor cells. Okay. suppressor cells irukku நம்ம bodyல and in the tumor suppressor cells also here what will happen, they will be on so as to suppress the tumor formation, but sometimes due to these effects these people also can get switch off. Okay, switch off, that is they are present in our body due to any physical or chemical activities. These people can get activated in our body anytime, so adanale this is very important. Proto oncogenes, they're off, and your tumor suppressor genes. Okay, now I told you anything can happen. Let's imagine நீங்க வந்து UV rays க்கு always you are exposed to UV rays. Okay, what will it do? It will activate your oncogenes, and obviously the cancer causing genes will already start forming cancer. Okay, it will start forming cancer. So அவ்வளவுதான், ஸ்மால் ஒரு ட்ரிகர் போதும் நம்ம பயாலஜிக்கல் ஏஜென்ட்ஸ்க்கு ஸ்டார்ட் பண்றதுக்கு. இப்போ what are the treatments? Okay, treatments, how do you treat, like before actually to detect cancer it was little difficult, Anna, because now PCR, ELISA techniques are there, so it becomes much easier. Okay, one second, let's take a water break. Water break is important. Okay, so here's Kana. Here you have, how do you first detect it? Okay, detection, first you can do the most common biopsy. Biopsy you can do, or we also do histopathological tissue. That means நம்ம ஒரு சின்ன போர்ஷன் வந்து ஸ்கேன் பண்ணிட்டு எவ்வளோ செல்ஸ் இருக்குன்னு தெரிஞ்சு பார்க்கலாம். ஸோ அதனால histopathological okay, basically taking a small portion of a tissue and understanding or analyzing, studying about that tissue. Okay, ஒரு ஸ்மால் போர்ஷன், ஒரு ஸ்மால் டிஷ்யூ எடுத்துட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் அது வந்து ஸ்டடி பண்றது தான் ஹிஸ்டோபேத்தலாஜிக்கல் டெஸ்ட். ஓகே, இந்த பயோப்சி அகைன் யூ கேன் டூ பயோப்சி. Okay, you can do biopsy. I hope voice is not disturbing here. Someone has passed away, so adanale they are doing that dole, you know dole, no? Yeah, normally other than that you can do the blood test and bone marrow test, very important. Many people do bone marrow test. We can also do endoscopy, students. So here only in biopsy itself you can add that we can do endoscopy in case we have doubt with any of the organs, நமக்கு வந்து endoscopy பண்ண முடியும். So with endoscopy also we can identify. Blood test irukka, bone marrow test is there. Other than that, now see, histopathological test can be done if it is a small portion. Okay, we are feeling a lump around the chest or something, we can do that. Ilana, we'll have to go for CT scan, we'll have to go for MRI. Okay, MRI is most preferred because it is magnetic resonance. Okay, MRI is most preferred nowadays than your CT scan and X-ray, because இது magnetic resonance exposure to UV or X-rays வந்து ரொம்ப கம்மி. இல்லைன்னா others what is going to happen, students, everywhere X-rays and everything 3D imaging will happen, but Anna, it is very harmful. Okay, so here also we can do 3D imaging. Anna, here also you will be exposed to X-rays. Okay, you will be exposed to X-rays. MRI, magnetic resonance imaging, here you will get 3D imaging itself, but here we are using magnetic field. Okay, here we are using magnetic field, so adanala this is the most safe one. Okay, comparatively safe compared to your CT scan. Okay, yeah, this is how you will do the detection: biopsy, blood test, bone marrow test, CT scan, MRI scan, magnetic resonance imaging test. Okay, and then what we have, we can also do ELISA to detect it. There is an antigen antibody interaction. Okay, antigen antibody interaction. இப்போ இது வந்து duplicate பண்ணிட்டு we will write the how to treat it. Okay, what are the treatments? It's really moving. Huh? Cancer also makes the person very very weak because நமக்கு தெரியும் chemotherapy பண்ணும்போது how people lose their hair, how people become very lethargic and tired. So அதனால it's a very like very, I don't know why such a disease is even there because it's a curse to human, right? So students, ஒரு ஜென்ரலான let's say ஒரு லம் இருக்கு இல்லைன்னா ஒரு மாதிரி கிளாட் மாதிரி லம் இருந்ததுன்னா we can do surgery which is the simplest where we can if let's say it's a benign tumor, it is dangerous, அந்த மாதிரி situationல நமக்கு வந்து surgery பண்ண முடியும். ஆனா let's say it is spread in the blood, I think then we'll have to go for radiotherapy. Okay, இந்த ரேடியோதெரப்பில என்ன நடக்கும்னா we are basically sending radiations and அந்த radiation வந்து it is going to kill the cancer causing cells. Sometimes our own cells also will get damaged, but nowadays system has been made where they don't damage our own cells, but many a times because of that a person becomes very weak and immune becomes very sacrificed. Okay, immune system becomes very very sacrificed. So radioactive radiation therapy, that is your radioactive therapy where it will kill the tumor cells. Okay, kill the tumor cells. Okay, something is there in my eyes. One second. Okay, so இதுல என்ன நடக்கும்னா we kill the tumor cells. So here that is the thing, but sometimes I told you நம்ம own cells also might will get damaged during this present process. அதுக்கப்புறம் chemotherapy which we are all aware of. Okay, chemotherapy we all know, very prominently used word is chemotherapy. Here basically we are using a chemotherapeutic drugs. Okay, we are using a chemotherapeutic drugs. This is the first thing that the doctors usually say after the confirmation. ஆனா கேன்சருக்கு என்ன ப்ராப்ளம்னா கண்ணா, the problem is that these people spread so fast. Let's say a woman has breast cancer, immediately it will move to the mediastinum, that is to the breastbone. So அதனால main problem என்னன்னா it's very difficult to control these cells. Even after chemo they will spread because these people are so fast in proliferation, they break every rules of cell cycle and cell division that we study. Every divisions are broken. ஸோ அதனால இது கண்ட்ரோல் பண்றதுக்கு சுவிட்ச் ஆஃப் பண்றதுக்கு ஆப்ஷன் வந்து ரொம்ப கம்மி தான். ஸோ அதனால இது வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ட்ரீட் பண்ணிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் இது ஸ்ப்ரெட் ஆகிறதுக்கு சான்ஸ் ரொம்ப இருக்கு. Chemotherapy, chemotherapeutics. Okay, we are using chemotherapeutic drugs again to kill the cancer cells. Okay, ரொம்ப காமனான ஒரு ட்ரீட்மெண்ட். This is also used to kill the cancer cells. Okay, to kill the cancer cells. So surgery is when you, let's say in a small portion la or tumor irukku illana or lump irundana, we can treat it using, that means we can use surgery and we can basically remove it out. Ana other situation la நம்ம வந்து radiation therapy இல்லனா chemotherapy we'll have to do. Okay, we'll have to do. Clear? Yes. There are many anti-cancer drugs. Again, not a complete cure. We know that they will temporarily help, okay, for some time. Okay, temporarily they'll help for some time, especially when it comes in cases like your blood cancer. These people can do the help. Okay, these people can do the help. Clear? Yes or no? Understood? Okay. So next one, there's actually one more technique that we use is basically use of alpha interferons, which is basically biologically mediated technique. Okay, where we are using a biological response modifier. Because students, நம்ம interferons வந்து main job என்னன்னா, it will treat, like that is, let's say இதுதான் நம்ம interferon cells. Okay, imagine B, C, D, E. Oh, one second, too much noise. Okay, so in the alpha interferons na biological response modifier. Chinna chinna voices vanda kanna just forgive. Okay, here someone has passed away, so adanale அந்த கல்ச்சர்ல அந்த டம்டே னா சொல்லுவாங்க. ஸோ அது வந்து they are doing. Okay, so we can't do anything. So biological response modifier இது வந்து என்ன நடக்கும்னா, let's say இது வந்து okay, இது வந்து நம்ம viral infected cell. In the cell வந்து it signals the other cell telling that you please protect yourself, you release antiviral protein. So automatically using this alpha interferons நமக்கு வந்து ஒரு immune system that is immune response create பண்ண முடியும். So here we can create an immune response. Okay, we can create an immune response. Adanala we use alpha interferons. Okay, we use alpha interferons. Clear this much? Cancer, that much only is there. Cancer is very small portion. Okay, here you can see this much only was there for cancer. We have done it very fast also. See here, abnormal and uncontrolled proliferation, lost the ability of contact inhibition, breakdowns the regulatory mechanism, and they cross all the checkpoints. என்ன நடக்கும்னா, in the normal cells in the cells வந்து they keep growing, they'll keep dividing without stopping. So அதனால mass of the tumor or neoplasm, metastasis forms the new tumor and they spread. Tumor na two types are there, benign tumor and malignant tumor. Benign tumor na confined to one location, malignant tumor na spread ஆயிட்டே இருக்கும். பெனைன் டியூமர் என்னன்னா மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் த டைம் டேஞ்சரஸா இருக்காது. ஸோ அதனால அதை ரிமூவ் பண்றது கொஞ்சம் ஈஸி தான். மேலிக்னன்ட் டியூமருக்கு ஒரு ஸ்பெஷல் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி இருக்கு which is called as metastasis. அந்த மெட்டாஸ்டாசிஸ்னா அந்த செல் வந்து from one place to another place. And students, one more thing, cancer cells இன்னொரு ஸ்கில் இருக்கு where they will, so normally நம்ம பாடியில இருக்கிற blood vessels, oxygen, carbon dioxide எல்லாமே லிமிட்டடா தான் இருக்கும். It will not be unlimited. ஆனா இந்த cancer cells வந்து because they are proliferating to such a level where they are increasing so much, என்ன நடக்கும்னா the cells will also have the ability to make their own blood vessels around them. So அதனால supply வந்து block ஆகாத, it will facilitate the supply for them. Okay, they will also make their own blood vessels so that in the cells க்கு வந்து enough nutrients எல்லா சப்ளையுமே without blocking it will happen. Okay, so நம்ம body try பண்ணியா கூட nothing is going to happen because these people are already double triple well, this one confined to one location and does not spread. And இது வந்து malignant tumor என்ன நடக்கும்னா majority time they are very very dangerous. Types of cancer like you have carcinoma, sarcoma and leukemia. Carcinoma basically நம்ம ectodermal tissue ல ஒரு outgrowth இருந்தனா we will call it as carcinoma. Okay, we will call it as carcinoma. அதுக்கப்புறம் sarcoma or where your mesodermal tissue ல ஒரு outgrowth இருந்தா, அதுக்கப்புறம் leukemia which is basically blood cancer. Okay, carcinoma, ectodermal tissue and outgrowth, breast cancer, lung cancer, mesodermal tissue or outgrowth, myoma, leukemia, blood cancer. Okay, leukemia, blood cancer. அதுக்கப்புறம் main 3 agents are there that causes cancer. Physical agent இருக்கு, biological agent இருக்கு, chemical agent இருக்கு. Physical agent னா நமக்கு வந்து ionizing radiations இருக்கு, non ionizing radiations இருக்கு. Ionizing radiation நமக்கு x-rays இருக்கும், gamma rays இருக்கும். non ionizing radiation UV rays இருக்கும். chemical agents என்னெல்லாம் இருக்கு, tobacco, soot, asbestos, cigarette smoke, இது எல்லாமே நம்ம chemical agent. அதுக்கப்புறம் கண்ணா biological agentல என்னெல்லாம் இருக்கும், நமக்கு ஆல்ரெடி நம்ம பாடியில oncogenes இருக்கு. பட் ஆனா அந்த oncogenes வந்து ஆஃப் ஆயிருக்கும், it will not be activated. But because of exposure to any physical or chemical agent, ஒரு trigger வந்தனா அது immediately on ஆகும். நம்ம gene regulation, molecular basis of inheritance, we have already studied it. Okay, so அதனால they will become cancer causing. Then we have tumor suppressor genes also which are on, but then again when things change they can become ulta. Okay, they can become off. Here you see detection வந்து biopsy, blood test and bone marrow test, CT scan இருக்கு, MRI இருக்கு. இதுல most safe என்னன்னா MRI because இதுல வந்து நம்ம magnetic resonance imaging we are doing. ஆனா CT scanல எல்லாம் we are using X-ray, so அதனால கொஞ்சம் dangerous ஆயிருக்கும். Now how do we treat it? We can treat it using surgery, radiotherapy, chemotherapy and alpha interferon, that is biologically mediated modifier. Surgery we know that removal, radiotherapy na kill the tumor cells, chemotherapy na chemotherapeutic drugs use பண்ணி நம்ம cancer cells kill பண்ணோம். Alpha interferons na biological response modifier where we are activating our immune system. Okay, next topic என்னன்னா drug abuse. Okay, என்ன next topic, drug abuse. Okay, so look here, opioids are the first drug that we are going to study. So opioids are the drugs which bind to a specific opioid receptor present in our central nervous system. எங்க இருக்கும், நம்ம central nervous systemல இருக்கும், and in our gastrointestinal tract. Heroin commonly called as smack. Okay, another heroin which is commonly called as smack is chemically diacetyl morphine, which is white odorless bitter crystalline compound. This is obtained by acetylation. ஏன்னா இது the dimorphine, so அதனால நமக்கு acetylation of morphine பண்ணிட்டா நமக்கு வந்து we will get the heroin, which is extracted from latex of poppy plant, that is your poppy, Papaver somniferum. Okay, Papaver somniferum. We have studied this in sexual reproduction and flowering plants. Generally taken by snorting or injection. Heroin is a depressant. So enna students, action on important. What is the benefit of, you know, why do people take it? Because it is a depressant and it slows down the body functions. So you, for you to feel like, you know, life is not happening at a fast pace, nama vanda these people take heroin thinking that okay, life will be slow after I take this. Anna, it is nonsense, because life will be back to normal the moment the thing comes down. Okay, so what is this? Opioids are drugs. So first category one, the opioids. Under opioids, what are you studying? We are studying heroin. Heroin is commonly called as smack, which is chemically diacetyl morphine. So idenna diacetyl morphine. So diacetyl morphine na, by doing acetylation namakku vandu idu provide idu we can make it. Okay, acetylation of morphine panna mudiyum. Morphine actually or a painkiller madri da, we use it during surgeries ellame, but ana people start misusing this as well. Okay, bitter crystalline compound, this is obtained by acetylation of morphine, which is extracted from Papaver somniferum. Heroin vandu, it is a depressant which slows down the body functions. Okay, slows down the body function. Clear kana? Okay, இது வந்து opiated narcotics. So அதனால this is coming under opioids. Okay, next வந்து cannabinoids. Okay, cannabinoids. Cannabinoids are a group of chemicals which interact with cannabinoid receptors present in principally in the brain. Okay, இது important da, present in the brain. Okay, present in the brain. Students, first of all, diagram also is important. So here you can see morphine diagram. Morphine diagram பார்க்கும்போது you can understand it looks very complicated. So here you can see multiple, you know, rings are there. So what you can think is this looks more like a M. Okay, this looks more like a M from one or the other side. Okay, both the sides, if you see, if you write a small m eppadi irukum andha madri da. So remember that. Okay, M for morphine, structure vandu M, because even in 2023 question vandirukku. Ana cannabinoids identify பண்றது ரொம்ப easy. In the heart shape structure da cannabinoids. Okay, heart shape structure, because this also affects the heart. So அதனால you can remember, okay, heart shape structure vanduna, that is the cannabinoid. So here you see they are present in the brain. Natural cannabinoids. Okay, naturally from nature, cannabinoids are obtained from inflorescence of plant cannabis sativa. இதுதான் cannabis sativa. Identify பண்றது ரொம்ப important தான் cannabis sativa. The flower tops in the entire plant வந்து useful தான் இருக்கு. Flower top இருக்கட்டும், leaf இருக்கட்டும், resins of the cannabis plant எல்லாமே various combination we can produce what? Marijuana, okay, hashish, then charas and your ganja. Okay, idellame words which people commonly use. Nama news channel la ella paakumbodhu these words are very commonly used. Okay, so from cannabis sativa all these are being used. Okay, generally taken by inhalation or by oral injection. Lastly, I'll also tell you the categories. Okay, they're taken by inhalation or by oral injections. Now these are known as they are known for their effect for the cardiovascular system. So adanalada I told you heart. So you remember the structure by thinking that heart, because cardiovascular na, it affects the heart. Okay, so adanala cardiovascular system will be affected. It is present in our brain. The cannabinoid receptors are present in our brain. So இது consume பண்ணும்போது these will go and bind with the receptors. And where is it extracted from? Cannabis sativa. அதுல flower, leaf, cannabis resin எல்லாமே யூஸ் பண்ணி we can make marijuana, hashish, charas, ganja இதெல்லாமே extract பண்ண முடியும். All gives the fake that fake you know, achievement, fake dopamine rush இதெல்லாமே using drugs people get, and that's why they consume it. Okay, because normal life la they cannot be happy, so அதனால they consume this to be happy. Next one வந்து coca alkaloids. Coca alkaloids or cocaine. Okay, coca alkaloids illana cocaine is obtained from coca plant. Okay, Erythroxylum coca. Erythroxylum coca, native to South America. It interferes with the transport of neurotransmitter dopamine. So இது என்ன வந்து neurotransmitter dopamine. So coca alkaloids or cocaine, இது வந்து alertness அந்த dopamine rush அந்த fake positivity, fake happiness, ஓ நான் இதெல்லாமே அச்சீவ் பண்ணிட்டேன் அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு fake feeling. Okay, அதனால தான் drug abuse பண்ணும்போது majority of the people end up doing crimes that they are not even aware of. அதுக்கு அப்புறம் they will realize, oh my god, I did this crime or what, because அந்த டைம்ல அவருக்கு வந்து ரொம்ப ரிவார்டிங் ஆயிருக்கும். seeing people cry இல்லைன்னா seeing people suffer அவருக்கு வந்து ரொம்ப ரிவார்டிங் ஆயிருக்கும். அதுக்கப்புறம் when the whole feeling comes down, they'll realize that okay, they have done a mistake. Okay, ஆனா by then it will be too late. So coca alkaloids or cocaine is obtained from coca plant, Erythroxylum coca, native to South America. It interferes with the transport of neurotransmitter dopamine. Cocaine, commonly called as coke, Elena crack, okay, is usually snorted. It has a potent stimulating action on the central nervous system, producing a sense of euphoria, okay, or a maximum happiness, ஒரு மேக்ஸிமம் ஃபீலிங் ஆஃப் ஹாப்பினஸ் இல்லைன்னா ஒரு ஹாலூசினேஷன் மாதிரி ஃபீல் ஆகும். பட் ஆனால் எல்லாம் டெம்பரரியே. அண்ட் இன்க்ரீஸ்ட் எனர்ஜி. எக்ஸசிவ் டோசேஜ் ஆஃப் கோகேன் காசஸ் ஹாலூசினேஷன். நமக்கு வந்து வில் ஃபீல் லைக் யூஆர் இன் மார்ஸ், யூஆர் இன் சம் அதர் பிளானட், நம்ம சன் வி ஆர் த பிரைம் மினிஸ்டர் ஆஃப் இந்தியா, அந்த மாதிரி எல்லா ஃபீலிங்ஸுமே தட் இஸ் பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் ஹாலூசினேஷன் when the dosage is extremely high. Okay. Other well-known plant with hallucinogenic properties, Atroba belladonna, okay, and datura plant. Okay, these days cannabinoids are also being used by sports people to feel that energy, to during the race and everything, to feel that energy. People have started using cannabinoids, which is wrong. Okay, which is wrong. Okay, so this is coca alkaloids or cocaine, coca plant, Erythroxylum coca. These days cannabinoids are being used. That other slide, it should have come, never mind. Other well-known hallucinogenic properties are your Atroba belladonna and your datura. Okay, இதுதான் நம்ம கேட்டகரி ஆஃப் ட்ரக் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். திஸ் இஸ் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். எல்லாமே இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கிடையாது, பட் ஆனால் வாட் எவர் இஸ் கிவன். ஓகே, sedatives and tranquilizers. Sedatives and tranquilizers na depress the CNS activity, give feeling of calmness, relaxation and drowsiness. Barbiturates and benzodiazepines are the sedatives and tranquilizers. நமக்கு சர்ஜரி பண்ணும்போது இல்லைன்னா பெயின்ல இருந்தேன்னா ஈவன் ஃபார் அனிமல்ஸ் வி கிவ் ட்ராங்குலைசர்ஸ் டு காம் தெம் டவுன். பிகாஸ் அவர் வந்து அக்ரெசிவா இருக்கிற டைம்ல நம்ம ஷூட் பண்ணிட்டு so sorry. Okay, so I hit myself only. Okay, tomorrow one big mark will come here. So sedatives or tranquilizers, where we are just shooting to animals like elephant, tigers ellame shoot பண்ணிட்டு just to calm them down. Okay, just to calm them down. The next one, the opiated narcotics, that is suppress the brain activity and relax pain. Opium, morphine, codeine, heroin. That's why I told you morphine is used in hospitals during surgery, but Anna, people do what? They do overdose of morphine and they end up becoming sick. Okay, next one, stimulate, that is make a person more awakeful, alert, active and cause excitement. Ana in the alert vanda, it is not that kind of alert normally that we feel. It ellame useless alert. Okay, useless alert da. This is your caffeine, cocaine and amphetamines. And hallucinogens are makes the person more wakeful perception. That is your, here you have ganja, charas and hashish. Okay, marijuana, all this comes under fake fake, what is that, fake hallucination. That is, you feel like you're flying, you're in the Mars, you're in the sun and all the Jupiter, adellame. But ana it ellame very very harmful to the body. Whatever you consume, you will get the side effects later. Now you might feel like, okay, I'm not taking anything, but ana elladukume heavy ana side effects irukku kana. If you go to Philadelphia, if you go to London, USA. So if you go to any European countries, you will notice that lot of people are into drugs. Okay, and அங்க வந்து அது லீகலான தெரியாது, பட் ஆனா ரோட்ஸ்ல எல்லாமே அது ரொம்ப சுலபமா நமக்கு we can take it. Okay, so அதனால what the problem is, that first time you use it, you will feel nice. Oh my god, I'm feeling very nice, my problems are all solved. ஆனா அதுக்கப்புறம் you cannot face the reality, you cannot face stress, you cannot face people commenting on it. எதுவுமே feel பண்ணாம, oh I should go into that only. அதுக்கப்புறம் it becomes a loop and then you will never be able to come out. Let's say you even come out, by then you would have lost everything that you had, and then you will come on roads. So there you can see majority people sitting on roads, in the footpath, below நமக்கு subway இருக்குல்ல, அந்த மாதிரி below subway, அந்த மாதிரி எல்லா placesல very unhygienic, will be lying on the floor. Okay, so look here, drugs like barbiturates, amphetamines, benzodiazepines and other similar drugs that are normally used as medicine help the patients cope with mental illness like depressions and insomnia, are often abused. Morphine also is a very effective sedative and a painkiller, and it is very useful in patients who have undergone surgery. Several plants, fruits and seeds have hallucinogenic properties, have been used for hundreds of years in folk medicine, religious ceremonies and rituals all over the globe. When these are taken on purpose other than the medicinal use and the amount and frequency at which a person takes it, then it impairs your physiological or the physiological functions. Okay, physiological functions. And students, also I told you, when a person is taking drugs, okay, that is sharing needles, it also leads to a very, very common thing, which is STDs, sexually transmitted diseases. Okay, so adanala, when the person is doing intravenous drug sharing needles, the person is prone to have sexually transmitted disease. So this is also a add on from whatever the person is already doing to the physical health. Okay, so never do drugs, never do drugs, it's very, very bad. Okay, that's the moral of this. Next one, the smoking is basically injurious to health. I don't have to tell you, everyone has already told you. Now what does it do? Tobacco has been used by human beings for almost 4,000 years. It is smoked, chewed and used as a snuff. Tobacco contains a large amount of chemical substance, which is your nicotinamide, okay, and alkaloid. Now this nicotine is very difficult to leave. Once you get that addiction, அது வந்து ரொம்ப difficult to leave it, because this nicotine is a very addictive substance. Okay, now nicotine will stimulate what, students? It will stimulate the adrenal gland to release what? To release the adrenaline and non-adrenaline into the blood circulation, both of which will raise the blood pressure. Okay, which will raise the blood pressure and increase, okay, and increase the heart rate. So smoking is associated with increased incidence of cancer to the lungs, urinary bladder and throat, bronchitis, emphysema, coronary heart disease, gastric ulcers, etc. So you can see, more than that, maybe some people when they smoke, they feel a calmness. அந்த காம்னஸ்க்கு பதிலா நமக்கு வந்து என்னெல்லாம் வருது? சி, நமக்கு கேன்சர் வருது, அதுக்கப்புறம் எம்ஃபைசீமா, எம்ஃபைசீமா இஸ் ஸோ டிஃபிகல்ட் டு டீல் வித், ரைட்? ஸோ bronchitis, இது எல்லாமே coronary artery disease, heart diseases எல்லாமே followed by smoking. Tobacco chewing is associated with increased risk of cancer to the oral cavity. Smoking increases what, students? It increases the carbon monoxide content in the blood. Okay, carbon monoxide content in the blood and reduces the concentration of hemobound oxygen. So normally நம்ம ஆக்சிஜனுக்கு ஆல்ரெடி affinity வந்து ரொம்ப கம்மி தான். Okay, hemoglobin's affinity with oxygen is already very, very less. அதுக்கு மேல இது என்ன நடக்குதுன்னா, carbon monoxide will be left into the body, and we know hemoglobin loves carbon monoxide. How much? It has 200 to 250 times more affinity with carbon monoxide than with oxygen. So automatically what they will form? They will form carboxy hemoglobin. They will form carboxy hemoglobin. So adanal carboxy hemoglobin will be formed, means this is going to go into your bloodstream, and instead of delivering oxygen, carbon monoxide will be delivered. Now my entire cellular activities will be disturbed. Okay, so here you can see this causes oxygen deficiency in the body, and we also know nama heart ku oxygen vandu kammiya. Okay, if our heart is receiving less oxygen, we already know it is going to cause the heart diseases, okay, which can also lead to acute chest pain, okay, myocardial infarction, angina pectoris. It can lead to that when we don't get enough oxygen supply to the heart, because heart is the pumping organ. When they don't get supply of oxygen, அது வந்து problematic ஆ இருக்கும். So அதனால smoking also is very, very dangerous. இந்த ஏஜ்ல இது எல்லாமே ரொம்ப கூலா இருக்கும், like, oh my god, I'm so cool smoking, I'll post 5-6 photos smoking, and yes, many people will find it very cool, but ஆனா and the coolness will not be there, that your life will not be cool after that, because once you are getting addicted to it, then adukapram there's no going back. Adu vandu stop pandradhukku romba kashtam. Then you'll have to use nicotine patches, you have to keep chewing something to feel that, and it is very difficult to control. Adu control பண்ணிட்டு ஒரு small trigger la adu appome and the habit vandu like what you tell, you get back to that that habit. So it is very nice to hear about it, like, oh wow, okay, so cool that this person is smoking, but Anna, it's the most dangerous thing, it's most scariest thing. It is very, very scary. Okay, so what are the problems that is going to come? And students, even passive smoking also is very, very dangerous. Okay, passive smoking also is very, very dangerous. Now alcohol abuse, much is not given. In alcohol abuse also, very general thing, that alcohol again leads to affecting your brain. Alcohol actually affects your cerebellum. Okay, and it gives that imbalance. That is why a person who is drunk always walks like this. Again, students, it mixes up with the blood, it absorbs with the blood, and again you will get later diseases. Now the thing is, here they have spoke about how you should handle this. Like if you have any problem, you should handle with peer pressure. Okay, you have issues like peer pressure, talk to your teachers, take mentorship. Okay, take mentorship when you have a problem. Okay, talk to your parents, stay away from friends like this. It general they have given, you can just read through it, there's nothing for you to break your head. So this is main topic here. From where question will come is going to be from the drug, from all the common diseases. So if you haven't watched Human Health and Diseases, make sure that you check out that video. This is a small video, just AIDS, cancer and drug abuse. That's it. Okay, I hope all of you understood everything. Thank you so much for joining, and make sure to smash the like button and share this video with all your friends. And then human health and diseases will be done. In the coming classes, we will be doing the rest of the chapters, especially botany chapters. So I hope all of you enjoyed this class. If you have any doubts, please let us know on We Need Tamil Nadu Telegram and in the comment section. Okay, We Need Tamil Nadu. Okay, this is the Telegram channel. Make sure that you are joining the Telegram channel. Okay, make sure you're joining the Telegram channel. Okay, thank you so much, Kanna. See you all in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.